Elimelech says we must leave what we are accustomed to.
Yes, my husband, for to hold on is to loose.
My son, will you come with I and your mother to Moab?
My father, as you are the Lord's eyes, I will follow where you lead.
My son, will you come with I and your mother to Moab?
My father, as the Lord is your head, then you are mine lead on.
The child's mother owned Design, the older daughter of Lot. The name Moab means, "Who is your father?" And they came into the country of Moab and continued there. And Elimelech, Naomi's husband, died, and she was left and her 2 sons. And they took them wives of the women of Moab. The name of the one was Orpah, and the name of the other Ruth. And they dwelled there about 10 years. And Mahalan and Chilion died also, both of them. And the woman was left of her 2 sons and her husband. Then she arose with her daughters-in-law, that she might return from the country of Moab. For she had heard in the country of Moab how that the Lord had visited his people in giving them bread. Wherefore she went forth out of the place where she was, and her 2 daughters-in-law with her. And they went on their way to return unto the land of Judah, the land of praise. And Naomi said unto her 2 daughters-in-law, Go, return each to her mother's house. The Lord deal kindly with you, as ye have dealt with the dead and with me. The Lord grant you that ye may find rest, each of you in the house of your husband. Then she kissed them, and they lifted up their voice and wept. And they said unto her, Surely we will return with thee unto thy people.